How to reduce lead time? There is a low cost solution, and that is attack with WIP. We examine the impact of WIP on lead time by means of simulation of assembly of a ball pen.
I am assembling the top end of the ball pen and the refill. This takes me approximately 7 seconds.
which is about 1 unit of time.
I am assembling the bottom end of the ball pen and putting the cap. This also takes me 7 seconds of time.
Which is again 1 unit of time. Now we see that in order to assemble the entire pen, we take 2 units of time, which becomes the minimum processing time for the pen. So this is the sum total of the processing time, and the lead time cannot be reduced unless the processing time is decreased. We start with 3 units of WIP. The simulation starts now.
This is the first unit being picked up. The red pen is being taken to represent the item whose lead time we are computing.
First unit of time has completed.
The red pen is waiting in WIP while the others are being worked upon. Let us see how the progress of the red pen occurs.
Second unit of time has completed.
The red pen is still waiting in WIP. 2 units of time have been completed.
Third unit of time has completed.
And now the red pen has got picked up, but it is being worked on and it is finally being placed down as a completed product.
Fourth unit of time has completed. Now we see that in order to complete 3 units of WIP, we need about 4 units of time, which is over here. Now we take away 1 unit of WIP. Now there are only 2 units of WIP. And the simulation starts now.
The red pen has been picked up again for our reference. It is being worked upon. It goes into WIP,
1 unit of time has completed.
but still it's waiting in WIP while the other unit is being worked upon.
2 units of time have completed.
And now the red pen has got picked up, it is being worked on, and it is reaching completion. So the lead time is now,
3 units of time have completed.
so the lead time is now 3
It is
units.
3 units. Hence
time.
we see that when there are 2 units of WIP, we require about 3 units of lead time, which is over here.
So what has happened to the lead time?
The lead time has reduced by 1 unit
By doing what?
by reducing 1 unit of WIP. Now we keep only 1 unit of WIP, for which the simulation starts now.
The red pen has been picked up, it's being worked upon, the first operation is being completed, and it is being placed in WIP. But
1 unit of time has completed.
and it's immediately being picked up. No waiting time at all and getting into completion. By now, the amount of time done is
2 units of time have completed. Hence, we can see that when there is only 1 unit of WIP, we require about 2 units of lead time, which is over here. Hence, we see that there is a reduction in lead time when we reduce the WIP. And this is how we can see it.
all that we did was we reduced WIP and the lead time came down and down and down. And how much did it cost to reduce WIP?
Nothing. Zero.
It doesn't matter how much of raw material inventory you keep, because part of the raw material is under the control of the supplier. So you may not be able to control the inventory fully. Similarly, the finished product also, you may not be able to control the inventory because it's partly in the hands of the customer. However, look at WIP. In the case of WIP, your customer is right here and your supplier is right here. And both of them are working under you. So you really have no excuse to not be able to control WIP. You have to find a way.
Sir, but it is very convenient for me because all the WIP is in front and I can go on with my operation without getting worried about the previous operation.
Very true.
And sir, it helps me also because I can dump my product without worrying about the next process.
So you see, the operators have great vested interest in keeping WIP because it allows them to work as isolated islands.
Sir, but what about the changeover time in case this is happening in a factory?
Ladies, these reasons are all true, but we must find ways of eliminating them because eliminating them allows us to reduce lead time, which is giving customer delight. Now you'll ask how to reduce them. Next videos.